Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download Cursor AI on your computer. So for downloading that, first you have to open any web browser. Now here on the web browser, search for Cursor AI download. So go to this link to download Cursor. So now you have to click on this download. Now scroll down and here you can see download for Windows. Click on this. So you can see here downloading has been started. So just wait till the downloading ends and then I will show you how can you install Cursor on your computer. So now as you can see here, downloading has been completed. Now double click it to install it. So as you can see here, it is showing for the agreement. So now click on this. I accept the agreement. If you want to read the terms and condition, you can go to this links. Now click on next. Now tick mark this create a desktop icon. Now click on this next. Click on install. And just wait till the installing ends. This will take a few seconds according to your PC configuration. So as you can see here, Cursor installation has been completed. Now click on finish and just wait till the Cursor launches. So you can see here I am inside the Cursor and here is a project on something else which I can code using the Cursor AI. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you want me to make a video on any another topic, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.